class. Today I will teach you the German language. German language is the key official language of Germany, Austria and Switzerland. German language is also the key official language of the European Union. Germany is a key member of European Union and also of NATO backed by US. German language is very important in any part of Europe. If you want to visit Germany or any part of Europe, it will help you in the near future. So let's start. Today I will teach you the German self-introduction. Guten Morgen. It means good morning. Guten Morgen. It means good morning. Pronounce it with me. Guten Morgen. It means good morning. Come to the next word. Guten Tag. It means good afternoon. Guten Tag. It means good afternoon. Guten Tag. It means good afternoon. Pronounce it with me. Guten Tag, it means good afternoon. Come to the next word. Guten Abend, it means good evening. Guten Abend, it means good evening. Guten Abend, it means good evening. Pronounce it with me. Guten Abend, it means good evening. Come to the next word. Wie heißt ist means it's your name. Wie heißt ist, it means what is your name. Pronounce it with me. Wie heißt ist, it means what is your name. Mein Name ist. It means my name is. Mein Name ist. It means my name is. Pronounce it with me. Mein Name ist. It means my name is. Come to the next word. Mir geht es gut. It means I am fine. Mir geht es gut. It means I am fine. Mir geht es gut. It means I am fine. Pronounce it with me. Mir geht es gut. It means I am fine. Now let's repeat it all again. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Tag, good afternoon. Guten Abend, good evening. Wer heißt ist, it means what is your name. Mein Name ist, it means my name is. Mir geht es gut, it means I am fine. Come to the next word. Thanks, it means danke. Thanks, it means danke. Danke, it means thanks. Pronounce it with me. Danke, it means thanks. Come to the next word. Ich schneit, it means it's snowing. Ich schneit, it means it's snowing. Pronounce it with me. Ich schneit, it means it's snowing. Come to the next word. Was studierst du? It means what do you study? Was studierst du? It means what do you study? Was studierst du? It means what do you study? Pronounce it with me. Was studierst du? It means what do you study? Come to the next word. Ich warte. It means I am waiting. Ich warte. It means I am waiting. Pronounce it with me. Ich warte. It means I am waiting. Come to the next word. Ich esse. It means I am eating. Ich esse. It means I am eating. Pronounce it with me. Ich esse. It means I am eating. Come to the next word. Ich mag das essen. It means I like the food. Ich mag das essen. It means I like the food. Ich mag das essen. It means I like the food. Pronounce it with me. Ich mag das essen. It means I like the food. Come to the next word. Was lernst du? Means what are you learning? Was lernst du? It means what are you learning? Was lernst du? It means what are you learning? Pronounce it with me. Was lernst du? It means what are you learning? Now let's repeat it all again. Danke, thanks. Ich schneit means it's snowing. Was studierst du? Means what do you study? Ich warte means I am waiting. Ich esse means I am eating. Ich mag das essen, it means I like the food. Was lernst du? It means what are you learning? Next word. So let's start. Ich habe eine große Family. Ich habe eine große Family. Ich habe eine große Family. It means I have a big family. Let's pronounce it with me. Ich habe eine große Familie. It means I have a big family. Come to the next word. Ich habe eine kleine Familie. It means I have a small family. Ich habe eine kleine Familie. It means I have a small family. Pronounce it with me. Ich habe eine kleine Familie. It means I have a small family. Come to the next word. School Sie kennen Sie lernen. School Sie kennen Sie lernen. It means nice to meet you. Pronounce it with me. School Sie kennen Sie lernen. It means nice to meet you. Now come to the next word. Ich bin zu Hause. It means I am home. Ich bin zu Hause. It means I am home. Pronounce it with me. Ich bin zu Hause. It means I am home. Come to the next word. Ich werde etwas kaufen. Ich werde etwas kaufen. It means I will buy something. Ich werde etwas kaufen. It means I will buy something. Pronounce it with me. Ich werde etwas kaufen. Means I will buy something. Ich werde etwas kaufen. It means I will buy something. Now let's repeat it all again. I have a big family. Ich habe eine große Familie. I have a small family. Ich habe eine kleine Familie. Nice to meet you. Skål Sie lernen. Nice to meet you. Skål Sie kennen Sie lernen. Nice to meet you. Skål Sie kennen Sie lernen. I am home. Ich bin zu Hause. I will buy something. Ich werde etwas kaufen. Kann ich Ihnen helfen? It means can I help you? Kann ich Ihnen helfen? It means can I help you? Pronounce it with me. Kann ich Ihnen helfen? It means can I help you? Come to the next word. Ist sonnig. It means it's sunny. Ist sonnig. It means it's sunny. Ist sonnig. It means it's sunny. Pronounce it with me. Ist sonnig. It means it's sunny. Come to the next word. Ist regnet. It means it's raining. Ist regnet. It means it's raining. Ist regnet. It means it's raining. Pronounce it with me. Ist regnet. It means it's raining. Come to the next word. Ist wolkig. Ist wolkig. It means it's cloudy. Ist wolkig. It means it's cloudy. Pronounce it with me. Ist wolkig. It means it's cloudy. Come to the next word. Woher kommst du? It means where are you from? Woher kommst du? It means where are you from? Pronounce it with me. Woher kommst du? It means where are you from? Come to the next word. I am from. Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus. I am from. Ich komme aus. I am from. Pronounce it with me. Ich komme aus. It means I am from. Now let's repeat it all again. Kannst ich Ihnen helfen? It means can I help you? Ist sonnig? It means it's sunny. Es regnet. It means it's raining. Ist wolkig? It means it's cloudy. Woher kommst du? It means where are you from? Ich komme aus. It means I am from. Class, I will teach you the German days of the week and German months.